Viewers, I am Dr. Faruque, Homeopathic consultant, and have been practicing for more than 24 years, helping individuals cure their ailments through homeopathy. Viewers, welcome to my homeopathic medicine channel. Today I shall describe and show how to study Materia Medica easily, how to read Homeopathic Materia Medica, or 3 ways, tips and tricks for Materia Medica. Viewers, Homeopathic Materia Medica is the outcome of the desire to cure the patient rapidly, gently and permanently. The first rational question for this kind of therapy was how the drug cure the patient. The answer that came to Hahnemann's mind was experience that yourself. The Sinfona experiment gave the answer. The first Materia Medica was prepared by Dr. Hahnemann himself. The law of similia similibus curantur was discovered, verified on hundreds of patients and humans. Most of the drugs were proved by Hahnemann and his colleagues, both on men or women. The symptoms according to the schema were recorded in the Kant repertory following manner: mind, head, eyes, ears, nose, face, mouth, throat, stomach, abdomen, rectum, anus, urinary organs, male sexual organ, female sexual organ, respiratory organs, chest, neck, back, ectodermis, expectoration, skin, sleep, fever, etc. Besides these symptoms, Hahnemann has given in his Materia Medica source, Homeopathic Systematic Materia Medica, K.N. Mathur, page number 17. The rhythmic speed of the human physical and mental biological process, vital process, is healing, and in this rhythmic speed, harmony, the disaster is the disease. Therefore, the first onset of the disease is at our emotion level. That is why mind chapter was first added to the universal Kant repertory. When the most doctors were reluctant and hesitant, sure to use mental symptom, Dr. Sehgal, and the courage to take the risk in the beginning, the task was different for him. How to decipher rubric. He began to study the grammatical position is what given to the rubric for the dictionary with care the dialogues, so that he could understand the precise meaning of each word and the whole rubric. The most important aspect of this research was the needed expand to the meaning of the rubric by drawing a broader explanation and conclude to adopt the proper essence of rubric. It should be kept in mind that expressed through the rubric will not be mechanical but mathematical. In mathematics, we get the correct equation like 1 plus 2, 1 plus 9 equal to 10, 2 plus 8 equal to 10. In this way, we can get more equation of 10. In the same way, we have rubric fear, anxiety, anguish. The difference in the personal feeling they convey to us and need to know properly. Now, if we study fear, anxiety, and anguish with the meaning of the dictionary, we can feel why, as Dr. M.L. Sehgal understood, the application of these of three become easier, more effective. Dictionary means fear, a general term of feeling anxious but impending danger. Fear is an revolutionary. Homeopathy means a kind of anxiety, discomfort due to pain, danger or evil in the approaching corner, which is specific to nature. Source: Pathfinder by Dr. Sehgal and Sanjay Sehgal. Here, After so much discussion, today we will discuss how to study Materia Medica by Sehgal method or mind technique easily. The book of first step, page number 72 in Bengali edition, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mohanty sir said, first choose the medicine that you want to study. Let's move forward step by step. Homeopathic doctors who want to improve their knowledge of Materia Medica and experience medicine must follow the following procedure. First of all, the rubric of the mind chapter of that particular medicine should be written in one place. Later, those rubrics have to be divided into 4 parts. Rubrics that are on the only medicine should be included in the first group. Rubrics that contain a few drugs, such as 2 to 7 drugs, needed to be separated into the second group. The third group will be all the medicine rubric, and the last group will have the rubric which are almost the same. For example, singular remedy rubric, few remedy rubric, all remedy rubric, familiar rubric. Then those rubrics must be added in such non-partisan manner, and appropriate medicine figure of the remedy is available. Extra attention should be paid in the rubric the single medicine as at the group of the medicine. We will now discuss the example of that. We can clearly understood how to study medicine, describe the Viva method. In the light of this, today we will study the practical application of Rhus-t's medicine. Number 1, write all the rubric of this medicine in one place, because these are the guided of the medicine. These are the no medicine without them. For example, Rhus-t has approximately 697 rubrics. Rhus-t has about 31 rubrics as the single rubric. We write this together so that we can study this rubric. There are 4 times repeatedly. Rhus-t is the only medicine for this rubric, which means that these rubrics are very valuable, and these rubrics are carried on the core feeling of this medicine. These rubrics are very useful to understand the condition of the patient. The rubrics are only available of this medicine. Today I am going to say some of the important single remedy rubric out of the 31 rubrics. Number 1, anxiety, sitting bent, mind, fear, superstitious, mind cursing, sleep during, mind delusion, forsaken, friend, she has been forsaken by a near. Number 5, mind dullness, motion amen. 6, mind fear, night, lie in the bed cannot. Number 7, mind fear, death of strength with loss of. Number 8, mind fear, thinking, sad thinking of. Number 9, mind gets up, make finger, playing with the finger, sleep during. Mind stupefaction, motion amil. Number 11, mind thoughts, sad things, aggravate. Mind thoughts, vanishing of standing while. Mind turning head, aggravate. Mind fear, death, sitting, aggravate. Mind delusion, death, force him out to the bed as if something. Number 17, mind delusion, forsaken friend, she has been forsaken by a near. Mind delusion, farewell, she had been friend near. From 2 to 7 medicine, mind irritability, teeth in the complaints. Mind irritability, pain during rheumatic. Mind irritability, teeth with the complaints of. Mind sleeplessness. Up to 7 rubric and more rubric are almost the same. Mind restlessness, heavy scarlet fever. Mind thoughts persistent. mind anxiety, mind fear, disaster of mind delusion, die thought was about to. Mind delusion, dirty he is. Viewer, if we follow my video nicely, you can cure the patient by only single remedy with homeopathy medicine, or you can thoroughly know the mental state of the patient. Homeopathic treatment is the treatment of alternate mental state of the patient. Treat the patient, not the disease. Listen intently and choose the medicine carefully. Viewer, thank you for watching my video. If you get any benefit, please share, like, comment and subscribe my homeopathic medicine channel. Thank you.